Welcome to the top best. The best diamond art is probably one of the most captivating and therapeutic ways to express your creativity, transforming simple drills into stunning mosaic masterpieces that sparkle with personality and flair. Imagine bringing vibrant scenes and intricate designs to life, one tiny gem at a time, creating a unique piece of art that reflects your personal style and adds a touch of elegance to any space. This engaging craft offers a rewarding experience for artists of all levels, providing a delightful escape from the everyday and a tangible sense of accomplishment with every finished project. Number 5. JAKI Castle Diamond Painting Kits. Discover the joy of creating stunning art with our diamond painting kits. Perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of magic to their home decor. Crafted with high-quality, eco-friendly materials, our kits feature a vibrant, waterproof canvas and sparkling diamonds that never fade. Experience a truly vivid and beautiful finished piece. Follow the simple numbered guide to place each diamond precisely. It's a relaxing and rewarding process that anyone can enjoy, regardless of age or experience. Engage in a therapeutic activity that helps reduce stress, improve focus, and build patience. It's a wonderful way to unwind and boost your self-esteem. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This diamond art kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just to show someone you care. It's a present that brings joy and creativity. Everything you need is included: a high-definition canvas, tools, and even extra diamonds to ensure you have more than enough to complete your masterpiece. We stand by our quality. If you encounter any issues with missing or damaged diamonds, we'll promptly send you a replacement set. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This kit offers a high-quality, fade-resistant canvas for a vibrant and lasting artwork. If you are looking for a piece that will maintain its beauty for years to come and add a touch of magic to your home decor, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a durable and visually stunning addition to their living space. What people say? They gave you tweezers and a finger grip. Most that I receive never gives the mini bags to store additional diamonds. Excellent quality, beautiful colors, and perfect size. Picture was clean and symbols number very clear to read. It was really easy to follow. There was way more than enough diamond drills. It came with everything I needed. Number 4. Tiny Fun 12-Pack Diamond Painting Kits. Get incredible value with this 12-pack of diamond art kits. Each kit includes a waterproof HD canvas, extra reflective diamonds, and all the tools you need to create beautiful art. You'll spend less and get more with this amazing set. Our diamond painting kits are designed for everyone, even beginners. The symbols and graphics are clear and easy to understand, with DMC codes that perfectly match the diamond colors. Enjoy your art craft time with ease. Completing a DIY diamond painting is a rewarding experience. It's a great way to reduce stress, build confidence, and share happy moments with loved ones. Discover a sense of accomplishment and develop your patience. Create your own stunning masterpieces that will brighten any room. Decorating your home with your own art is incredibly satisfying. These kits also make a wonderful gift for any occasion, from graduations to birthdays. We prioritize quality and your customer experience. If you ever have an issue with missing diamonds or accessories, contact us immediately. We promise to replace or refund your purchase within 24 hours. What we like? Get incredible value with this set that includes 12 complete kits, all with canvases that lie flat for easier crafting. If you love variety and want to tackle multiple projects or share with friends and family, this is the perfect bundle for you. It's ideal for beginners and those who enjoy having a selection of designs to choose from. What people say? High quality set for basically $2 per kit. The drills are round. The kit comes with 12 designs and 12 painting tools, 12 drill pens, 12 wax squares, and 12 trays. The kit is easy to determine which gems go to what design, also easy to follow. The packets come clearly marked and coincide with each image identifier number as well as the color identification code and number on the specific project. Number 3. Vcekract Cat Diamond Painting Coasters Kits. Discover the joy of creating beautiful, sparkling coasters with our easy-to-use diamond art kits. Perfect for unleashing your inner artist and adding a personal touch to your home. Each kit comes complete with everything you need to get started. You'll find coasters, protective bases, a holder, tools, and plenty of colorful diamonds, with extra for every color. Don't worry if you're new to diamond art. Our coasters feature clear, numbered guides that make it simple for anyone to create stunning designs. It's diamond art made easy for everyone. Enjoy a relaxing and rewarding crafting experience. These kits help build patience and confidence while improving your hands-on skills. They're perfect for home decor or as a thoughtful gift. Crafted from thickened acrylic, these coasters are built to last. They are resistant to wear and deformation, ensuring your vibrant, fade-resistant creations will shine for years to come. These glittering creations are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your kitchen, dining table, or desk. Elevate your space with these unique and colorful handmade decorations. What we like? Add a touch of feline charm to your home with these unique diamond art coasters. If you're a cat lover or looking for a practical yet decorative craft project, these are a perfect fit. They are ideal for anyone who wants to create functional art for their kitchen or dining table. What people say? The finished products turn out adorable. I love that they come with sticky backs so they stay in place on surfaces. The variety of cat designs and colors is really cute. Easy to do. They're durable and colorful. The kit comes with everything too. Number 2. Mr. Pen Bead Storage Containers. Introducing our bead storage containers, designed to keep your small items perfectly organized. Each set comes with multiple compartments to neatly store your supplies. Crafted from sturdy plastic, these organizers are built to last. The double-sealed design with snap closures protects your items from dust, water, and rust, ensuring nothing gets mixed up. Easily label each compartment with the included stickers to identify colors or contents. The transparent lid allows you to see everything at a glance, making your crafting process smoother. These containers are perfect for more than just beads. Use them to store nail accessories, jewelry, cosmetics, or any other small essentials you need to keep tidy. Each row of compartments can be removed for convenient access. This thoughtful design makes it easier to use and store your supplies, enhancing your crafting experience. This pack includes 2 storage containers, each with 28 individual boxes and 160 labels. You'll have plenty of space to organize all your small items effectively. What we like? Keep your diamond art supplies impeccably organized with this practical storage solution. If you find yourself with many small diamond painting components and want to maintain order, this organizer is a must-have. It's perfect for crafters who value neatness and easy access to their materials. What people say? The snaps on each lid seem secure. There have been a few that I couldn't immediately get open, but I prefer that situation to loose lids that don't securely stay shut. Each little box opens and closes easily, and the lids snap tight so the beads don't spill. The clear plastic makes it simple to see all the colors, and the whole tray is lightweight but sturdy. When I got them and put some new beads in them, they had a definite snap to the lids. I just purchased 4 more. I will probably purchase more and eventually completely replace the ones I've got now. Number 1. Hestarcul Diamond Painting Mountain Kit. Discover the joy of creating beautiful art with our diamond painting kit. It's a fun and engaging way to express your creativity. Just follow the numbered guide on the canvas and place the sparkling gems to bring your masterpiece to life. It's easy for everyone to enjoy. This activity enhances color perception and aesthetic understanding, making it a wonderful way to bond with your family and create lasting memories. Our complete kit provides a high-definition canvas, specialized tools, and an abundance of vibrant diamonds, ensuring you have all the supplies needed for your project. Crafted with a waterproof, high-definition canvas and strong adhering diamonds, this kit offers a durable and non-toxic crafting experience. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, our support team will resolve your concerns within 24 hours. What we like? Elevate your diamond painting experience with this kit featuring multiple drill tips for enhanced precision. If you enjoy intricate designs and want to experiment with different application tools, this abstract mountain scene is a great pick. It's suitable for those looking for a slightly more advanced and visually striking project. What people say? This piece is the kind where the diamonds completely cover the surface, creating a fully vibrant and detailed picture. The design is absolutely gorgeous and requires focus and attention. This particular project is fascinating due to the variety of colors and subtle shading. For example, what appears to be a black mountaintop in the image is actually composed of black, brown, and purple diamonds with delicate differences that bring the piece to life. Similarly, the peachy sections of the mountain include shades of peach, pink, and orange, adding depth and complexity. Another unique aspect is the occasional use of a single, standout diamond in unexpected places, adding character to the artwork. This level of detail is both challenging and rewarding. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.